using the Shutterstock Photo Library in Premium Image Editor with easy texting. Boost engagement and better tell your brand's story by searching millions of free premium photos and a dynamic image editor powered by Shutterstock to your next MMS marketing campaign. Search, create, and share all within the marketing platform you love. From the easy texting homepage, click the New Message button at the top left of your window. The Shutterstock Photo Library and Editor is available on group text, one-on-one chat, and drip campaign options. But for this demonstration, we are going to compose a group text. Fill out all the required information to send out your mass text message. If you are unsure on how to best proceed, no worries. Click the iCard in the top right to watch our Sending a Mass Text Message video. When you are ready to start adding one of Shutterstock's royalty-free images, tap on the media icon at the bottom of your message block. You also have the option to add your own photo instead of browsing through Shutterstock's library by tapping on Select a File. Just know that whichever option you end up choosing, the steps will be the same for accessing the photo editor. To search through millions of Shutterstock's premium photos, click on Free Images. If your business is a restaurant that is known for its buffalo wings, you'd simply type wings into the search bar. You can sort by illustrations or photos by tapping on the All Image Types drop-down. Scroll down through your options and skip to the next page if needed until you find your perfect image. Simply tap on your image to select it and launch the editor. Now you can add text, your company logo, and access the powerful image editor by clicking on the Add Text or Logo button. And don't worry about the watermarks over your image. When you send your finalized message, the watermarks will disappear. In the top left corner, you have the options for canvas size, crop, photo filters, changing transparency, adding effects, borders, and shadows. To add text, tap on the Text button, which is represented by the large letter A, to the left of your image. Choose whether you want to add a headline, subheadline, body text, or browse through many of our pre-made text templates, and then simply begin typing. Your navigation bar will automatically change to a text options bar where you can control the font, size, color, transparency, and more. And you can always move any of your text, images, or media anywhere on the screen by simply clicking and dragging. Want to add a fun, attention-grabbing emoji? Then simply click the Elements button next to your image. Here, you can select from thousands of options. If at any time your emoji, image, or illustration is not the size you want, you can drag any of the 4 corner pins on your image to resize. And last but not least, you can upload your own company logo by first clicking on the Uploads button and then on Upload Image. Find your image stored on your computer and then tap Enter on your keyboard. If for any reason at all you've made a mistake and want to go back, there is a handy Undo button at the top left of your window that will take you back through every edit you've made. Once you're all finished, tap on the Done button in the top right. Review your image, and if you're ready to move forward, click on Attach Image. This will take you back to the message you've composed. Please note, since you're now attaching an image to your message, you'll notice it has changed to an MMS message from an SMS message. To learn more about MMS messages, please click the iCard in the top right to watch our Texting Images and Videos Using MMS walkthrough guide. Click Review Message, and if everything looks good, hit Send. The watermarks will disappear and your message will be sent. Congrats! You've now sent your first message while using Shutterstock's Photo Library and Premium Image Editor with easy texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos. Text MMS to 858585 to learn even more.